saved my life! I love our vacation so much!
We do too, sweetie. It's perfect being together.
Say cheese, everyone! This is the best day ever!
Think you can just get away with this? You disgust me! Get away from me!
Victor, how can you say that? I can't believe this!
There you are! Welcome aboard! I am so delighted you could make it.
Mama, please come back. I can't do this without you.
Our alliance ensures our victory, my dear Iris.
Indeed. They never suspected a thing.
We did it!
The fools never saw it coming!
All according to plan, my dear Victor. The prize is ours.
Mama. Mama. I can't find you. Mama. We did it! The beach! We're finally safe!
Please, have you seen my daughter? I can't find her anywhere.
How could you be so careless? Look at what you've done!
I trusted you.
Cheers, my love.
Life truly could not be any more perfect than this, my dear.
Mommy, I promise I will find you someday. I won't give up. IWRL become strong. I will find Mommy.
looking for my daughter Mia. She's a police officer. Please.
Officer Mia speaking.
Wait, truly? Oh my gosh. Move, move, move.
Let's go!
It's so beautiful. I can't believe we're home.
I know, sweetie. We're finally safe.
It truly feels like we are living in paradise, doesn't it, darling?
Let us toast to our wonderful new life together, my love. We won.
This cannot be happening. You're DE-Ed. This is EM-possible.
This is all your fault, Victor. Your stupid plan.
Ah, I knew this would happen.
Control, the subjects are secured and awaiting transport. Sierra units are arriving on scene now.
Move to the perimeter. Fan out, secure the deck.
Get out of my way!
Victor, wait for me. We have to stick together. We should and Ever have done those terrible things. We deserve this.
It's finally over, my darling.